What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up? Hello.
Hello.
What's up, people? Oh, I'm not even going to get to the Jets because I'm going to have to make a special video, an open letter to the Jets, an open letter to Rex Ryan and Sanchez and Green and all those great players that we got on the team that's going to bring us the Super Bowl champion. I will make one note. Jet fans, yeah, think about it. I know it's only one game, but if you're a real Jet fan, what you just saw today will be what we witnessed the entire season. And if you're a real Jet fan, you had to know, deep inside you, you had to know not to expect anything different. The more the hype, the harder the collapse. That's all I'm going to say. So right now, the euphoria is back into the stock market. Remember 10 days ago when everything was bad? We were falling off the cliff, about to break down. Double dip recession back in. All the inflation guys were out. Stagflation, inflation, disinflation, hyperinflation, hyperstag, disinflation, stagflation. Everybody was out. The doomsdayers were in full force. You got the guys that were even the optimists saying that we're going to be puttering along at a lesser of a robust pace. Then suddenly, bang, V-bottom. I think it was 2 Fridays ago. And once again, proves fundamentals don't mean anything. Technicals mean a little bit more than fundamentals. But what's more importantly is sentiment. And right now we are in a market where sentiment changes every single day. And when it changes, and if the most important part about this stock market right now, when it changes, you better not get caught on that wrong side. Because why are we going up the last 8 out of 9 days? It's because more people got trapped short. More people got convinced that we were about to head down. And that's why we headed up in this massive, reckless abandon trade. And the euphoria is starting to catch on. I'm about to go crazy bullish again. Sentiment should change right away. Something has to happen. Where are my doomsdayers? Where are my people to bring common sense to the market? We don't need common sense in this market. The story remains the same. You have no problem buying on dips. Joey Diphard is still fully in control. Have no fear. And the crazy thing about the market, and as I'm saying this and how great and massively bullish I am, and the Baidu indicator, kids, if you don't notice, and if you haven't watched it since I've been talking about it for the last 2 years, if Baidu is strong, the market remains strong. Because secretly, the U.S. stock market is controlled by China.
Oh, that's just false. That's just misinformation, Krull.
I'm just saying, it works. When Baidu is strong, and U.S. Steel remains strong, and U.S. Steel's been, it's not at all-time highs, but it's stopped going down. Baidu, U.S. Steel, all right, enough. Because the point I'm trying to make is that we're traders, right? We're trying to do this on a daily basis. And the funny part about it is each trade today, my one big money maker was shorting MMYT. Okay? Now here's an IPO that's just on fire. And I want to equate the Jets with an IPO that's gone wrong, but I'll get to that later on. But right now, are we to think that we're about to break out? This is it. We're just going to run. This is it. Dow 20,000 ready to go. We're going to rally till March, right? Is that what we have to think? Because right now, there's really nothing saying that we should start pulling back, right? Everybody's trapped. You don't want to miss the end of the world rally. You don't want to be standing on the dock while the boat leaves without you, right? Long-term investing's back. I don't even know. I can't even describe how pissed off I am right now. I didn't think it would come this quickly. How it would just switch and make me in this mood of confusion this quickly. And how about that Joy Global move? How about all of these stocks. Every single one of them's gone. How about the Broadcom? Okay? Just as I was getting confused, considering the iPad is doing well, Apple controls the universe, and Broadcom has a lot of guts inside, a lot of these new technology, iPhones, iPads, couldn't understand why that stock was going down. What is this stock doing under 30? Boop! Nope, 36 bucks, which is a pretty good move for that stock. Then you got FSLR. Everybody downgrading it. Everybody saying bad things. Oh, looks like it's going to break down. Oh my God. No, up 40 points in your face. Think about it. Think about it. Is it because the company has improved that much since last we checked on it? No. It's because probably more people got trapped short, and now they're squeezing those people, and those people will have to capitulate and cover. And then when that happens, the stock will go right back down to about 115, 120. Or we'll just have to wait for an earnings report. Like those matter. Like those matter, right? Nothing matters except people getting trapped on the wrong side. When there's a majority of people getting trapped, then the stock goes the other way to cause max pain. Right now, max pain for me is this market right here, okay? I don't want to go long. So the pain that I'm feeling is the desire to go long, but still trying to hold on to the belief that we're going to stay in the range, even though the range has just gotten a little bit wider. I don't want to pile into any longs right now because I don't want to be part of the trap on the way back down. So as much as it pains me to do, I'm going to have to sit this out and wait to see what happens next. Okay? So that's the story. And the bottom line is I'm never going to tell you where the market's going to go because I have no clue at all. We could stay in this range for 10 years. We could break down at any minute. The dollar could rally, the dollar could collapse. Iran could launch a nuclear vessel. What's the point of saying what we're doing when each and every day there is something to do? Look at what MMYT did today. Fantastic. And there was one more trade. I don't even remember what I did already. I'm so utterly disgusted about missing this last Q move. I mean, the Qs were $43 just the other day. I mean, that is unbelievable. Okay? It's just absolutely flabbergasting, actually. And what I can do is tell you to come to the website. It's hitthebid.com. If you haven't come to the website yet, then you have just been denying yourself the purest pleasure known to man. A community of people, like-minded people who are all now, we've weeded out the weak. We've weeded out the people that are, there's a thin line. I can conceivably say that I've got a screw loose, but I enjoy it. I push and I make it happen. I bring the insanity upon myself because it makes me feel better. But there are certain people out there that are truly insane. They don't know they're insane. Those are the people we have to fear. And those are the people that we've been weeding out of the website. We've been weeding out the people that are just there to bug us. So now we got our nice collective group, and we can be elitist snobs together. Okay. So that's what we're doing. Hartford Financial was not taken over yet. I'm getting out of all my calls right now. I'm going to be flat on the Hartford Financial, and I'm thinking that I might just move on from the stock. But most importantly right now, it's all about the Qs. If we go any higher, I'm going to be forced to buy them because we're going to fucking 50. There's no reason the market should go down. There's no reason the market should go up. But now we're going up. Don't ask questions. Let FSLR guide you. Just when you thought the stock was going to roll over and die, next thing you know, it goes up 30 points. That's what this market's all about. That's what you have to expect. Expect the unexpected. Think of things. When we start throwing numbers out there like Baidu to 100, Baidu to 100. Oh, it's so irresponsible of you just to throw an indiscriminate number out there. Baidu to a fucking 100.
I would much prefer Kroll.